Hello, Bob Phillips. Welcome to P&S Detail Studio. We just got done detailing this beautiful black Lexus. We did a two-stage paint correction, and we're just about ready to do the final wipe down. The product I want to talk about today is a product called Paint Gloss. Definitely one of our most popular products, popular with professionals, enthusiasts, weekend warriors, whatever you want to call them. It's a very popular product. This category of product is called an instant detailer, or a showroom surface wipe. Also used as a clay lubricant, sometimes used as a waterless wash. The first thing we're going to talk about Paint Gloss is its primary purpose that it was invented for, which was that final wipe down on a paint. So after you've detailed the car and you're ready just prior to delivery, you want to do that final wipe down. So you're going to use a nice soft microfiber towel in conjunction with Paint Gloss, and you just want to mist a light coating of Paint Gloss on the paint. Now what you're looking for in a product like Paint Gloss is when you go to wipe it out, it basically distributes nice and evenly over the paint surface, and then it magically evaporates and creates a beautiful finish. You really want it to enhance what you've already done. That's the beauty of the product, is it makes that final wipe down on a black vehicle or a dark metallic vehicle. It brings it all together. It creates a beautiful even finish. It's designed to remove wax residue out of the cracks and things like that. That was the original purpose of this product. But then clay came into play, and clay is used to remove industrial fallout. Well, clay needs a lubricant. Paint Gloss is also a fantastic lubricant for clay, the clay towel, or the clay mitt. The beauty of that is when you're using that product, clay, on the surface or a clay mitt, you're removing the industrial fallout, and then when you do your final wipe down, you're putting a nice coating of polymer wax on the paint finish when you use Paint Gloss for that purpose. We also use it for a couple other purposes. Is when we're starting the buff process and we're starting our day, we got nothing but dry buffing pads. So we'll also use Paint Gloss as a primer to the pad. The advantage of that is when the pad's dry and you go to put compound or polish or wax on the pad surface, when you start out, if you put it on there, you don't get an even distribution of product. So what you want to do is you take Paint Gloss and you mist it, just a light mist on the foam surface or whatever surface you're using, just enough to give it so it's moist to the touch. Then you put your product on there, and then you start, and then you get a nice even distribution of product. Paint Gloss is also used for a lot of other things. We use it to wipe down door jambs, molding, trim, trunk areas. I mean, it's just a detailer's friend. That's the benefit of the product. So when you're setting up the shop, whether you're an enthusiast or a professional, you want to make sure that Paint Gloss is in your cabinet.